Okay, so we finished spraying the StyroSpray 1000, and now it's time to clean up the hopper gun. It's fairly straightforward. We're going to disassemble it. We're going to clean it with solvents. Now there's many choices of solvents you can use. You can use MEK, which is methyl ethyl ketone. We can use toluene, which is available from most home improvement stores. For a more greener solvent, there's D-limonene, which is an extract from the skins of oranges. It's not available in all areas, but it's an excellent cleaner for this product. Today, we chose an MEK. So what I've done first is I'm going to loosen the hopper up, pour all the excess material out, and I'm going to allow it to harden up on its own. And then we're going to disassemble the hopper from the gun. Now the hopper, we're going to leave it alone because we're going to allow it to cure overnight and it'll peel out. One of the best things to do before you start work with the StyroSpray 1000 is to apply a real light layer of Johnson's paste wax, not car wax, but the floor wax on the inside of the hopper and allow it to dry. Finish your work for the day, allow the StyroSpray 1000 to cure inside the hopper, and tomorrow this will peel out like a continuous skin. So we really don't have to suffer too much with that. We're going to pour the rest of the material out of the gun itself. We're going to strip it down. We're going to undo the nozzle tip first and unscrew the back edge. We're going to simply push the pin out before we apply any solvent. This is the best way to do it. Push the pin out, capture it back here, and that's all we have to clean of the pin. The first thing you need to do is just take a dry paper towel and we're going to wipe out the excess StyroSpray 1000 off the outside of the gun. And you really like to do this before the material cures, because after it cures, it's very chemical resistant. So we really need to do that the day that you do the gun, within, say, the first hour after you finish your application. So we're going to wipe this out, okay? And we're going to wipe the pin off as well, just the end. Now we're going to take a little bit of MEK, or the solvents we talked about earlier, and we're going to finish the wipe. The outside first, and the inside. Now the O-rings, if you soak them in solvent, the sealing O-rings along the top of the hopper and on the air pin will become swollen and not useful. So it's not good to soak these O-rings in solvent overnight. We just want to wipe them down. That's all you have to do. Okay, we pretty much got this done. And it's always good to apply just a real light coat of Vaseline to the air pin and to the inside and the threads on the hopper gun itself. So we're going to reassemble this. It's really easy, just like in reverse. Push the air pin back in. I'm going to take the adjustment screw and the spring. And we're going to just give it a couple of turns there. Things good. Again, wipe the end. We don't want the end of the air servicing pin to become clogged with excess StyroSpray 1000. And now we're going to return the cap itself. We need to wipe this out. Okay, that's good. Put that back in. Okay, the gun is set. We're ready to put it up. We're going to peel that out tomorrow. The job's done.